American thinking is very logical, very fact-based, only based on data. If you don't show me the data, then nothing is really reliable.
Doing business in China takes more than data, statistics.
American people, they don't. I don't think they should put too much effort on the data, statistics, facts, because most of them, they are not true.
Because the China market is changing very fast.
In terms of statistics, I don't think China is as obsessed with statistics, I think, or numbers.
China isn't about facts. People in China are not looking to see things measured.
You need to understand the culture. Why is it so important? Because the data is dynamic. It's a market that moves so quickly that looking at yesterday's data won't necessarily help you extrapolate where tomorrow will be.
Still, there are ways to navigate. You can use focus groups, just as in the West, but you have to remember that people are viewing things from an Eastern perspective.
When I do focus groups in China, you really have to be careful because their thinking is so different from ours. So your conclusion has to take in consideration what you understand their background.
So you go through and you triangulate. So when we came in and wanted to see the size of the market, you talk to the suppliers in the market, you talk to the retail end of the market, you talk to your customers in the market, and you find out where the numbers seem to match.
In the West, we're not looking for numbers that seem to match. We want precision. For example, we tried to determine precisely which baby was the 300 millionth American.
But in China, there's no agreement on precisely how many people there are.
It's hard to argue with 1.3 billion people.
China is a potential 2.2 billion people, everybody tells you that.
You have billions of people, you have 1.5 billion, this is a huge country.
There are 1.2 billion people in China.
We have 1.3 billion people over here.
It has 1.3 billion people.
我记得可能是14亿，但是我不敢确认我记得是准的。
The numbers range from 1.2 billion people to 1.5 billion people. That means that the margin of error is equal to the entire population of the United States. 300 million people, the margin of error.
That might be a big deal in the West, but it's not so crucial in the East. There are very few numbers you can rely on in China. Our job is to give you a map to such things.
For complete information on China's business culture, order your copy of On the Front Lines Doing Business in China. This DVD series is presented by The Atlantic and is not available in stores, only on the internet. Go to ChinaDoingBusiness.com and see what you're missing.